everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how you can download the Dropbox application for your mobile device. So first you need to open the Play Store. Then on the search bar you type in Dropbox and tap on search. You can see the application on the very top. Tap upon that and there you need to tap on install and wait for the application to be fully downloaded. So Dropbox is a file hosting service operated by the American company. Dropbox lets you upload and transfer files to the cloud and share them with anyone. Dropbox also backup and sync documents, photos, videos and other files to the cloud. You can easily access all the collection of your resources in Dropbox from anywhere. There you can see the downloading process has been completed. You tap on open and with that you have successfully downloaded and installed the Dropbox application for your mobile device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.